This is our next hot chocolate bomb experiment. And here is the chocolate bomb.
Whoa, that's 100.
Is that what you call them? Chocolate bombs. And there it goes!
Here it goes.
Okay. Pray this works.
It takes some time. Open up already.
Do you have a... Can you push it down
too
with a
hard.
spoon?
Yeah, it's too hard.
I touch it with our fingers.
I knew it was too hard.
Bum, bum, bum,
No. It's too hard.
I know. I made it quite thick this time.
It's not gonna do it.
Pippa, have more confidence.
You have to wait a second, and it opens up on the other side, and the air makes it.
Oh, right. I think I see bubbles. Is that a good sign?
Yeah.
Is Bubba's a good sign, Maggie?
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited.
Don't blow on it.
Bum, bum, bum.
I heard a big
I think
bubble.
something's going to happen. Oh my goodness. Oh
Oh,
my
it's
goodness.
happening.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the hole.
Oh my word.
Something's happening.
Oh my goodness.
And it's gonna sink.
Did you put marshmallows in it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my word. This is awesome.
Bye.
Bye. Oh my word. What's happening?
I wonder if marshmallows are going.
Oh
I wonder
You
if
eat more than 2
are gonna
marshmallows in
come
it?
out.
I did
And
put
then
3.
This is
Like,
awesome.
did you see marshmallows like pop
Was
up?
that the coolest thing ever?
Uh-huh.
This is totally
That's
worth it.
I told you I put
This is
3.
totally worth the hours we put
Can
into.
I have some? Can I drink?
No, we have to wait for the rest of it to.
Oh wow, how much chocolate is left in there now, Megs? Can you put the spoon in so we can see for our viewers? Oh yeah. This will be I bet this will be an amazingly tasty hot chocolate because it has all the chocolate from the hot chocolate bomb with the hot chocolate mix inside.
It looks like poo.
Wow. Pippi said it looks like poo, which probably just ruined the appetingness of this. Penelope.
It looks like poo.
Penelope.
Let me taste it.
Is it almost melted now, the chocolate?
Yeah. The marshmallows are
And
melting.
it's too hot to taste it.
This was the coolest thing ever. And there you have it. Right, guys? Hot chocolate bomb.